Alright, what's up you guys? So today we're not working on the hatch, so this is gonna have to wait. But we're finally building a drift car. Now I'm pretty sure you guys can guess what type of car it is. Also you guys, if you guys hear dogs in the background, it's this guy. He's very sensitive. I tell him one word, well 2 words, and he starts crying. Watch, I'm gonna insert the clip right here. Tell him to shut up and he just, look. He doesn't like it when I tell him to shut up. Shut up.
Oh.
Well, you guys, I got a Z. I'm gonna show you guys around real quick. Inside looks pretty good, but I am gonna be gutting it pretty soon, so stay tuned for that video. I'm gonna be selling them for like 600 bucks. I'm in Arizona, so let me know. They do have curve rash almost all around. Yep, they're 20s and it's on 275/30. This front one is a bit damaged. So if you guys are in Arizona, let me know. 600 bucks. Tires basically brand new as of today. Today's December 20th, so I don't know if I'm gonna still have the wheels if you guys are interested, but that's today's date. And yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. Simple Z. I'm gonna open the hood and show you guys what I'm gonna be doing in the future. Again, another little look on the tires, all brand new. Alright, so probably in the next video that's coming out, I am going to be wire tucking the headlight harness on both sides. I am going to tuck the engine harness on another video as well. Also trying to hide this wire, which I think is the alternator or starter wire, or maybe both of them, I don't know. But going to be rerouting this or making my own. This one goes to the brake booster. I'm also going to be relocating that, making it go down instead of just going through here, because I'm trying to have all this just clean. Now the paint job on this side is not the best because I think this side got in a car accident. There's a bunch of Bondo in the wheel well, and yeah, eventually this whole quarter panel is going to get cut out because I am going to get over fenders, so I'm not worried about that. Side skirt is a bit damaged as well, but that's alright because I'm going to get some KBD side skirts as well as the front bumper. But that's pretty much it, you guys. My dream build is to have a 2J in here one day. So we'll see how far this build goes, but yeah, hopefully one day I can look back at this video and I can see how far the car has came. Well, yeah, 2J 350Z does not sound bad as a drift car. But first I'm gonna just get some seat time with this motor. Also, this motor has 120,000 miles on it, as well as the transmission. It came out of a convertible 350, so it's pretty healthy. I am gonna do the gallery gaskets because I'm pretty sure they've never done it before. But yeah, that's pretty much it for right now, you guys. Also, if you guys are subscribed because of the hatch, don't worry, I got more content coming on that. It's gonna be getting a roll cage, and it was supposed to be sent out yesterday, but me and the guy that's doing the roll cage decided to wait after all the holidays. So after all the holidays pass, the hatch is gonna be getting a roll cage. And yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. So hopefully I get some good seat time. And oh, I forgot to mention, there's a bunch of rear suspension problems, I guess you could say. Like the bushings are all bad. All the rear differential bushings are bad. I'll put pictures up right here, but I'm gonna fix all of that first before I eventually take it out and test it. But yep, as you can see, it looks like brake cleaner fell on here, but I don't know. Like I said, you guys, all this is gonna get cut out. The trunk like kind of it looks shifted, but I'm assuming this whole piece is pushed in a little bit because this side is like popping out a bit and then this side sits flush. So again, I don't care. It's a drift car, so it's gonna be all banged up eventually. But yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. I am gonna be gutting it like I said in the beginning of the video. I think I said. If you're in Arizona, let me know because I'm gonna take everything out, you guys. Everything's coming out besides the dash. Door panels are staying and the seats because I need seats, but everything else is going to the trash. So I'm gonna hold on to this. Well, I'm gonna hold on to everything if I do get it, but I'll let you guys know. But as of right now, let me know if you guys want something, because I will take pieces off if you need. Let's see, I'll give you guys a quick little walk around. So glove box, everything's good. Also came with an extra throttle body and 3 extra coils, so that's good. Everything's here, you guys. Everything works, so let me know. Everything is for sale on the interior, even the forgot what this is called, but headliner, yeah, I think it's called headliner, that's for sale. The carpet is for sale, all the interior pieces besides anything on the dash, all that is staying. So yeah, also forgot to mention, it is on coilovers. It has some Megan coilovers, but they're not true coilovers. I was gonna try and show you guys, but I can't. They're not true coilovers. It does has the spring, but I am eventually gonna be replacing that with some either BC coilovers, or we'll see what happens in the future. But yep, I think that's pretty much it, you guys. And I am gonna delete the little evap box that's under the rear bumper. There's a big line attached to that goes through the car, well, in the bottom of the car, which is this. What the fuck? So I am gonna be deleting this. This guy is gonna get moved over there. This is gonna be deleted, but I'm gonna do all that on the engine harness tuck video, so stay tuned for that. Gonna relocate the power steering. You guys don't know how many times I've gone my damn ankle with this damn door. I guess that's a common issue for Z's, so I gotta replace that. So good thing the GTR ones fit, so I'm gonna be getting that. At least I could say I got GTR pieces on it, you know.